I turned the viral hot honey beef bowl into one skillet. But there is one mistake ruins it before the sauce even goes in. So for this recipe, I'm using halloumi cheese. It's a different experience. If you want to keep it simple, crumble feta cheese over the top at the end instead will do it. But if you can get halloumi, I highly recommend it. It's lightly salted, holds its shape, and browns beautifully in the skillet. Pat the cheese completely dry. Keep the pieces a little larger. They brown better. Spray the pan very lightly with some olive oil and brown the sliced cheeses. 1 to 2 minutes per side until they are golden. That would be enough. Remove and set aside for later. Okay, now let's make the sauce. We don't need a lot of spices because this sauce brings all the flavor. I have the list of ingredients in the description below. A pound of ground beef into the skillet. Don't break it up yet. Press the beef in the pan. Let it brown for a few minutes on each side. That gives the meat a flavor without adding any more seasonings. Remove any excess liquid from the pan. Now break it up. That browning is your flavor base. The small diced onion goes in for a few minutes. Then one small diced green pepper, saute for a few minutes. And then 4 cloves of chopped garlic, saute for 30 seconds. Mix everything well. Now pour the sauce into the skillet. If it looks watery, keep it going. Let it simmer on the lowest heat. Would you keep the halloumi cheese or make it even simpler with a sprinkle of crumbled feta cheese on top instead? Let me know which you would choose in the comments below. Once the glaze tightens, add a cup of half cherry tomatoes. Let them warm through in the sauce for a minute or two. Then heat off, adding cubed golden halloumi right on top. And some fresh chopped parsley for garnish and squeeze of half a lemon. And then we're good to go. So the secret or proper procedure is brown the beef, reduce the glaze, tomatoes last, and halloumi cheese at the finish and serve right away. If you enjoy easy one-pan Mediterranean dinners just like this one, please give it a like and subscribe for a new skillet recipe every week. And watch one of my other skillet dinners on the screen next. You might just find your new favorite. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, stay healthy and take care.